In the last couple of videos, we've been treating simultaneous equation by substitution method as well as by elimination method. In this video, I want to focus on how you can confirm that your answer is right after solving a theory question, and how you can get the answer if it were to be an objective question without even solving. So that is what I'll focus on. So I'll be taking the first example and solving it as if it was a theory question, and then the second example I'll be solving it as if it was an objective question. So let's take an example. So we have solved for the unknowns in the equations below. 4x minus 3y equals 2, 5x minus 2y equals 6. Now remember, the first thing is to label the equations. Now I'm going to use elimination method because elimination is quite easy. Now remember, let's solve this. Now remember, you want the variables you want to eliminate to have the same coefficient. So I would like to eliminate y. What that means is that I will multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, which is 2. And then I will multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of y in equation 1, which is 3. So that means multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So I'll be having 2 times 4x will give me 8x, minus 2 times 3y should give me 6y equals to 2 times 2, 4. Then 3 times 5x should give me 15x. Then minus 3 times 2y should give me 6y. 3 times 6 should give me 18. Now if you look closely, we've been able to have the same coefficient for y. Now to eliminate, they have the same sign, so I minus. So I say this equation minus this equation. So can we do this? 8x minus 15x. 8 minus 15, I should get minus 7. So I have minus 7x minus 6y minus 6y. So I have minus 6y minus 6y. That will give me minus 6y. Minus times minus is plus. Minus 6y plus 6y is 0. So that cancels out. So I have equals to 4 minus 18 should give me minus 14. So what this means is that to find x, I have to divide both sides by minus 7. So divide both sides by minus 7. Minus cancels minus. 7 here 1, 7 here 1. Minus cancels minus. 7 here 1, 7 here 2. Which implies that my x equals to 2. So I have x equals to 2. Do you understand this? Now let's solve the remaining somewhere here. Now to find y, I put x equals to 2 either in equation 1 or equation 2. Let's do in equation 1. Now I write equation 1. I have 4x minus 3y equals to 2. Anywhere I see x, I call it 2. So I should be having 4 into bracket 2 minus 3y equals to 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 3y equals to 2. Now I need to collect like times. 8 goes to this other side. So I'm left with minus 3y. Don't forget, the sign of 3y is minus, so don't omit it. So I'll be having 2. When plus 8 crosses, it becomes minus 8. So I'm having minus 3y equals to 2 minus 8 should give me minus 6. To find y, we divide both sides by minus 3. Minus cancels minus. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Minus cancels minus. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So I know that y is equals to 2. So which means that my x equals to 2 and my y equals to 2. Now this is what I got. Now let's confirm our answer if we are right. Now to confirm that I'm right, all I will do is to put x as 2 and y as 2, both in equation 1 and equation 2. Now if I do that and I get 2 in equation 1 and I get 6 in equation 2, that means my answer is right. Let's try that. So for equation 1, we have 4x minus 3y. That's the left hand side of the equation. So anywhere I see x, I call it 2. Anywhere I see y, I call it 2. So I'll be having 4 into bracket 2 minus 3 into bracket 2. 4 times 2 is 8, minus 3 times 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So it's correct for equation 1. Let's try equation 2. We have 5x minus 2y. Now that's the left hand side of the equation. We want to confirm if we'll get 6. So remember, x is 2 and y is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this also is correct, which means that our answer y equals to 2, x equals to 2 is correct. Do you understand this? So what you want to do is to slot in the values you got into the equation and confirm that you get the constant.